What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing Xiaomi Mi Max 3 video. And for this kind of video today, it's all about the Xiaomi. And as you all know that I come across the Xiaomi Mi A2, and it's such an amazing device which I've been using it since I said goodbye to it. And I thought I had to grab this device. This is what I have here. This is a Xiaomi Mi Max 3. Now, it was a tough decision for me to make, and I was thinking about grabbing the Poco phone. I know the Poco phone is such an amazing device, but I thought that this bad boy here has something which is so sweet. Now, this device came out in 2018, and what it sparks in, let us just see what sparks in. Now, first thing first, we're greeted with the box, which is something which is so great. I love this color, what they blended. And another kind of stuff, there's a phone here, phone, though I opened the seal already, spoiler alert. Another kind of stuff, it's we're getting a SIM card ejector, which is so perfect if you want to eject your SIM card and stuff like that. And I think there's paperwork. I know you hate paperwork, but let us just see. Now, there's a paperwork, as you can see, guys. I won't read it or anything. Another kind of stuff, we're getting a USB Type-C cable and charger, wall charger, which is something which is so great. And there's nothing else on the box. Now, let's talk about this bad boy. Now, on this kind of phone, actually, the screen is freaking bigger. I'm talking about 6.9-inch display. Now, this kind of 6.9-inch display is quite vibrant. It doesn't have that kind of stuff whereby you'll be just feeling like you're knocked off, you know what I'm saying? So I think to this kind of perspective of the display, it's quite decent. It's like you're playing there with a tablet while you're having a smartphone, you know, like you're almost going for a tablet display, but you are just there at the center. This is what this Xiaomi feels like. I hope you understand me on that. Another kind of stuff about this Xiaomi Mi Max 3, it's actually having a USB Type-C port here at the down, you know, and the two speakers, which they're quite amazing. I can just play some sound so as some of you guys can hear how much the speaker sparks. It's actually not bad. The sound tries to pick up there. It's actually decent to my own kind of aspect. So if it's a scale of 10 to 0, I give it actually 4. Because of how it's the bass, it's not that much picking up, you know. Other kind of stuff, it comes to the IR sensor. Now, if you're that kind of type of a person whereby you're a little bit lazy, this phone captures a lot of stuff. Matter of fact, the IR sensor, which it's here, you can control your phone with the remote. But bad thing, on our studio here, we got no TV or stuff like that. We just have a monitor which cannot be controlled with the phone. That's what's up. Jumping into another kind of stuff which is so perfect, it's the fingerprint sensor. Now, at the back, there's a fingerprint sensor. I hope you noticed it. Yeah, I hope you noticed it. Another kind of stuff, if you just do this way, you see how quickly it's fast. Just check it out. Check it out again. Boom, it's there. Now, that's something which I thought that it's so massively incredible on this kind of device. Though there are people saying downside, this device, you know, it's just mid-range too, but it's not that much, you know what I'm saying? No, this device is perfect and it does the best out of the best from the Mi Max series. Another kind of stuff which is so great about this device, which I kind of love it, is the battery. The battery has a 5500 milliampere battery, which is so incredible. It gives you almost 2 days with lasting with the battery. And remember, from the 5 pillars of a smartphone, the mostly important thing is the battery, because the battery is the thing which you use the phone mostly. Now, I don't recommend you guys to go out there and find the Xiaomi Mi Max 3 and start just, you know what I'm saying? No, just know what type of device you're selective with, and so as you can just grab it. But for me, to my own kind of aspect, I thought that this is the way to go for as I can share with you guys my experience with the Mi Max series, which is the Mi Max 3. Now, when it comes to selfie side, you're gonna love this device because it takes an incredible selfie. Though the camera, it's for the front, it's 8 megapixels, so you won't just get like a bummer, you know what I'm saying. Now, the back camera has a 12 megapixel camera with a 5 megapixel, which is somewhere down. But this phone does not take a wide angle. I know some of you guys would like to take a wide angle, but sometimes, you know what I'm saying, it's like you're sticking to the lane. Another kind of stuff which is so incredible is the video stabilization. Now you're gonna love the video stabilization, man. It's so amazing from this device. I was so freaked out. I was like, dang.
It's a video stabilization.
Okay, so how is it?
It's pretty dope. I'm kind of loving it because, as you can see, you wanna come and check it out?
It's still
Okay, cool. Well, this is a video from the front camera. As you can see me here, it's just good. I think it's just pretty decent. Even the electronic stabilization seems to be dope.
Now this is gonna be my go-to vlog phone, which I'm thinking that it's gonna just do amazing stuffs. Very incredible. So the best weapon you have right now is the phone which you have it. Yeah, I know you have a different phone than mine, but the main thing to focus on is with what type of content you're producing on your mobile device with your camera. So that's about the camera side. Another kind of stuff which is so interested on this phone is the headphone jack. Now they thought that they'll just, you know, it's 2019 and headphone jack has been actually being left behind, but they thought that they could implement it on 2018, whereby they released this device on July. So I think to my own kind of aspect, that's the most important thing, just to keep it up to date with those kind of things which a little bit of companies they're going behind out of it. And let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this device. Is it worth it for you, or is it like, meh, let me just forget about this device, let me get another kind of device? Though there is a good side out of it and there's a downside out of it, but still it's a mid-range device. On the scale of 10 to 0, I give this device 6. It's actually on the 6. So yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim113. Consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And last but not least, if you didn't check out my amazing video of Photoshop, you know I'm a designer too. So yeah, that's what's up. So you can just click this card if it's your thing though, but if it's not, you can forget it. Another kind of stuff which is so incredible, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. And peace. Don't play yourself.
It's my turn. We the ones.